Hello dears, welcome back. So today I have come up with a simple recipe. This is taro fry. It resembles mostly a potato. This is most common in southern parts of our country, especially in Kerala. Keralites regularly use this in their day-to-day life according to its season. Okay, so this taro, first of all, it resembles tapioca. In physical, it resembles tapioca. So we have to remove the skin and we have to boil it, pour in some water. Do not overcook it, just it should be boiled, that's it. And after that, let it cool down, and after cooling down, we have to cut into pieces. We can choose any, you can cut it into any piece, any shape, that's up to you. So here I have chopped into like this piece, that potato french fries in that shape. I have chopped it. Then after that we have to add all the spices like salt, turmeric powder and chili powder, the same which we use for marinating our fish or anything which we use for fry and all. If fish or non-veg is not available, you can definitely opt this. It resembles the same taste, and no one will say that it is not potato. It is very good. It goes very well with rice. It's a perfect fry. So after adding all the spices, I'm just mixing it up well. I'm not using spoon here. If I use spoon, I think so everything will get mashed up. So I'm just shaking it like this, and you can use any box, steel box or anything. Shake it well with a lid so that it will spread uniformly. All the masalas, spices will spread uniformly, and we have to keep it for minimum 3 hours like this. Like fish and all, we marinate and we'll keep it for 3 hours. We'll keep it in fridge, no? The same way. And after that, we have to pour some oil for frying it. Here I am using a little oil. I'm doing shallow fry, not deep fry. You can do anything. It's up to you. And I'm taking little bit of that and I'm frying here, and we can preserve it in that container in fridge itself, and whenever we want we can fry it up. So after adding the taro to the oil, keep the flame in medium, and it takes some 5 to 10 minutes to get it fried like this. So kids will definitely love this. It tastes same as potato fry only. So if it is available for you, you can once definitely try this. It's very tasty and it's very healthy also. It resembles tapioca in physical in appearance, and but the taste will be same as potato. Okay, so if there is any deficiency of non-veg and all, you can definitely replace that with fry. It will definitely be very tasty. So please try this, and if you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.